Yeah?
Yours for me.
Are you going to open it? Your new book?
What is that, Ember?
I'm
What's the book? Is that a new book?
new book. I'm on it. I'm going. Let's go there. No coffee more. Go there. Go. Open. After. Do your card.
Okay, let's not wreck it first time we turn a page.
Who's in that book?
Who do you see?
And
Who else?
big bit.
Yeah? Anybody else?
I'm in
Mm-hmm.
a Barbie ducky.
Rubber ducky? Yeah?
Also got his
What?
Sunglasses?
Yeah, what's that?
buffer.
Yeah.
What's down by the basket?
Cookie.
What's that?
Nana.
Yeah. Nana starts with B.
Do you see Cookie Monster anywhere?
Where's Cookie Monster?
Good. And that.
That's actually not Cookie Monster, but he looks like Cookie Monster, doesn't he? Hairy Monster. Yeah.
Cookie Monster right there.
Mm-hmm. What's Cookie Monster riding?
Boat.
Yeah. Is this a good book?
This cocky.
Yeah.
What is cocky?
His name is Barkley.
Oh, big bird.
Yeah. Who else?
And
Mm-hmm.
and that.
Who is that?
Big bird.
That's Bert.
Apple.
Yep.
Oh, cookie. Oh, golden and big bird.
Yeah, what else do we see in this picture?
See Cookie Monster.
Careful. There we go.
I see Cookie Monster.
You see Cookie Monster? Where's Cookie Monster?
White bullshit.
On the boat ship.
Oh, golden. Big bird. Oh,
What do you see there?
monkey.
Monkey.
Yeah.
Or is it a gorilla?
Monkey.
Monkey. Okay. Monkey starts with G.
Golden.
Grover starts with G.
No.
Yep.
No. Sausages. No.
Whoa.